Hi friends, back in Stoneybrook West. This is 1134 Harbor Hill Street over in Lakehurst. It's a 2-story, 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath with a pool. And it's on a slight bend in the road, so it has a wedge-shaped lot. As you can see, typical of Stoneybrook, has lots of shade. Great for walking your dog. The roof here looks great. Don't know how old it is, but it doesn't look very old to me. There's a huge magnolia tree in the front, so that will be very nice, deep shade. Okay, there is no bonus room here. So pool equipment, we have a nice filter. The pump looks great. The AC, this is not brand new. The paint looks really nice. I love the square pool. And the pavers are really nice as well. Really defined flower beds, so easy to put something up here. Okay, it has a solar system up top. It even has a solar blanket down here, so that's great. We're overlooking a green right there, or actually that's Fairway, over on Avalon Road. Okay, here's a grand entrance. As we come through the door, we see the living room on the right. Triple bay windows, laminate flooring, huge dining room, and lots of room to sit as well. Very tall ceilings. Our laundry room / mud room with crown molding. We have 2-car garage with enough room for storage. There's chair rail here and some nice wallpaper coming in. Give a nice accent to the space. Okay, on the first floor, looks like we have a bedroom here. Looks like wood floors and a half bath. There would be room to expand the bathroom, possibly. Living room, we have some alcoves and we have a fireplace. And ooh, not only do we have that, but we've got some wainscoting, which is really gives a really nice feel to any room. I love the wainscoting. Open concept. Huge kitchen with an island. Granite countertops. Crown molding. I mean, just a lot of storage space. There's a pantry there. All these cabinets, all of those cabinets, all of those cabinets. Cabinets there on the bar, which is really nice to have it open to the living room. And then more space in here on the island. Got a little eat-in area, and then it's got not one, but 2 sets of sliding glass doors, easy to pass through here for parties and hanging out. And pavers are really nice. Definitely outlets over there, and you know, room for a summer kitchen and just a nice view. Okay, as we're going up the stairs, you see more wainscoting at the top. Again, just a great feel with that wainscoting. French doors going into the master. Tray ceiling. Look at all the room here for dressers. Wow, and the double window looks great out there. It's just a big space. Chair rail in here. A window in the closet, and look at this massive closet. This is huge. Wow, what a great closet with 2 windows. Lots of natural light. Double vanity, nice large shower. Okay, so that's bedroom number 2, and then that would be 3 and 4 with the Jack and Jill. Not really a Jack and Jill, but just with the bathroom in between. And the floor is contiguous, which is nice. Just chair rail in every room. This room has crown, and this one is like a larger one of the 4. It's really got a lot of space, and it's got a really nice view. 1 magnolia tree there, 1 magnolia tree there, and an oak tree. This is a really nice lot. Okay, so again, this is Stoneybrook West. All the amenities that you could ask for a low HOA. Got a junior Olympic sized pool, a full gym, lifestyle coordinator. We've got lighted tennis courts, lighted basketball courts, pickleball, inline skating, a fishing pier, a boat dock, 24/7 manned gates, just total security. Everything's manicured, beautiful, well kept, and it's just a great place to live. 407-227-4800, 407-227-4800. Thank you.